female to administer a football club. Mr. Speaker, I did this to harness the potential of the teeming youth in my constituency as are littered all over the country. I had a conversation with my sports coordinator, and he told me the benefit of football or sports in general, that it brings unity, it brings discipline, it lets the children be focused. So this is how I entered into football, having taken inspiration from former players like Dan Quay, the Painters, Audu Isaka, Gordon Atram, Isaac Fossa, and many more in the past. As a nation, we should be interested in developing sports for the unity of the country, for giving the youth a focus, and then creating discipline among the teeming youth who are coming up. Mr. Speaker, last year, I remember I made a comment, I contributed to a question here on the sports minister having not answered a question, a letter written by my chiefs asking for permission to contribute to the expansion of the sports stadium in Kpando. It's 6 months now. We still haven't had a reply to this letter. Mr. Speaker, these are some of the things that discourages people from helping to develop sports in their own small ways in their constituencies. This is a constituency wanting to do some development by themselves, asking the permission of the sports minister. 6 months later, we still haven't had a reply.